We will solve the equation. Square root of x plus 9 plus square root of 9 minus x equals 9. We'll show each step clearly and highlight key transitions. Step 1. Find the domain. Each square root needs a non-negative inside. So x plus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. And 9 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. Together, that means x lies between negative 9 and 9, inclusive. Step 2. Set up a clean substitution. Let u equal the square root of x plus 9, and let v equal the square root of 9 minus x. Then our equation simply reads u plus v equals 9. Step 3. Square once. We square u plus v equals 9 to get left parenthesis, u plus v right parenthesis squared equals 81. Expanding gives u squared plus 2uv plus v squared equals 81. Replace u squared by x plus 9 and v squared by 9 minus x. Combine like terms to get 18 plus 2 times the square root of left parenthesis x plus 9 right parenthesis times left parenthesis 9 minus x right parenthesis equals 81. Move 18 to the right to isolate the root, and we obtain the square root of the product equals 63 over 2, which is 31.5. Step 4. Square again. Squaring both sides gives left parenthesis x plus 9 right parenthesis times left parenthesis 9 minus x right parenthesis equals 31.5 squared, which is 992.25. Expanding the left side yields 81 minus x squared equals 992.25. Therefore, x squared equals negative 911.25, which is impossible for real x. Final conclusion. There is no real solution.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.